The water around it is full of fish, and seabirds gobble them up in feeding frenzies just offshore. Mangrove trees flourish in sheltered coves along the coast. Their roots form a tangled maze in the shallow water and provide a home for sea turtles and young sharks and rays. Land iguanas float to the island on logs and branches. Once on land, they climb up past the mangroves and settle on the island's slopes. After 2 million years, the island has become the largest in the group. Because of its height, much more rain falls on it, and it's home to more life than ever before. Old lava flows still scar its slopes, but it has erupted for the last time. Now that it has finished erupting, it will begin to sink very, very slowly. Less than 1 millimeter per year. There are different climate zones at different elevations. Rain and fog frequently cover its upper slopes, and the ground is covered with plants. Farther down, the terrain becomes dry and dusty. Land iguanas burrow in the soil. On sections of the coast, the crashing waves have worn the rocky shore into sandy beaches, where sea turtles and marine iguanas lay their eggs. Meanwhile, in the waters to the west, new islands are born. One day, a seabird leaves and lands on one of the new islands. She starts a new colony. Eventually, more of the island's plants and animals colonize the new islands, including marine iguanas, mangroves, and land iguanas. Three. Adulthood. 3 million years ago. 3 million years have passed since the island was born. Several younger islands have grown and merged into each other, forming one enormous landmass. Our island is no longer the largest, but many new species have come to its shores, and many more continue to arrive. Seagulls arrived years ago and now nest on its rocky cliffs. Penguins have come from the south. The water surrounding the island is just cold enough for them to survive. Frigate birds live near the coast. They are pirates and steal fish straight from the mouths of other seabirds. Pelicans nest in mangrove trees, and fish in the island's sheltered lagoons. Over the next million years, more species arrive. Sea lions from the north establish colonies on the island's beaches. In a distant land, a flood washes a group of tortoises out to sea. After floating for weeks, ocean currents carry them to shore. Across the ocean, some cormorants are lost at sea. Luckily, they find the island and plenty of food just off its coast. A group of finches is forced from its homeland. Here they find plenty of small seeds to eat. The island is 4 million years old.